There are two working ways you often use. The first one is graphic programming. You can the password. Okay, from here you no need to make the program, but just set up all the parameters according to your works from here. If your work requirement cannot finish from here, then you use this one. From this one, axis model, and then choose program. Okay, and then choose the file manager. Okay, and then you should use your U-disk, right? U-disk, put here, and then select the file. Wait, no, this one, file transfer, file import. Okay, copy your program from the USB disk. So totally there are these two ways you need to use. Okay, one is graphic programming, and another one is you make the program on your computer and then copy from USB disk to this control system. So only these two ways you need to use to work on your machine.